If you are one of those people who tutor or homeschool your kid all by yourself, this tutorial will be something that will change your life and make it very easy for you to teach your child. So I'm going to show you two techniques today. One is using ChatGPT. The other one is using Google Bard. Google Bard is free. ChatGPT is also free, but the version that I'm using, which is the paid subscription of ChatGPT, which comes with ChatGPT 4, that is a little bit more imaginative when it comes to its content. So I'm going to show you what is possible in terms of creating problem sets, creating solutions, and teaching materials for your child when you are the tutor. So let's say you are back from work and you have a 6th grader and you want to make the kid do 20 problems using fractions. Maybe that's the topic the kid is learning, and that is actually a real life story. My son was learning fractions today. So this is what I did, and that's what prompted me to do this video. So if I type make 10 questions that tests a 6th grader's fraction, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction skills. So let's say I say 10 word problems. And then ChatGPT will create these 10 problems. It's still making it, so you can see what it is doing. So there's a multiplication problem, division problem, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all those problems it just created. So these are word problems that are unique. So that's the first set. If you want to regenerate, you can just click this button and it will regenerate another 10 problems for you. They will be somewhat similar, but you have another set. If you want another set from the same prompt, now you have two prompts like this. So let's say this is my final prompt that I like. At this point, I can also ask, now solve these step by step and show the final answer. And here is the step-by-step solution, which is all you need for the kid to learn how to do these things. And it literally takes you 2 minutes to generate this study material with solutions, with step-by-step directions what to do. So once this is done, you can print it out and then let the kid solve the problems. And then once the kid is done, you can come back and check what she did or what he did. And, this is basically a unique question set for you. I can show you the same prompt. So I can go to Google and I can copy paste this same prompt to Google, and Google will do its own thing. It may or may not look as exciting as ChatGPT. Sometimes these two platforms produce, for example, in here, Google did not understand the question 10 word problems. It just gave me 10 problems to do with fractions, which is fine. It's another type of solution that you can ask your child to find. But you get the main point though. Like you have these two platforms competing with each other, ChatGPT, Google Bard, and you can generate your solutions like that. You can even go to ChatGPT. So let's say you go and ask something more interesting. So you can go and you can say, create 10 PSAT questions to test a child's basic algebra skills. So you can ask for it, and then these are 10 PSAT PSAT, standard questions for a kid. And then you can also ask the same thing like I asked before. Now show step-by-step solutions for these problems. And then ChatGPT will show you step-by-step solutions. While it is doing that, let me take this same prompt and go to Googlebard and ask for it. So let's see what Googlebard does. So create 10 PSAT questions to test a child's basic algebra skills. And there you go. So there are 10 problems that Google created. Looks nice and clean. Now you can ask the same question. Now solve these problems step by step. Show the final answer. And you will get step-by-step solutions for these 10 problems. It's still thinking. Let me check my ChatGPT prompt. ChatGPT is done with its work. Here you go. So it found step-by-step solutions for those algebra problems that it created. Here you go. Here is Google solving its own problems step by step. These are both very nice, depending on how to prompt them. They react to the same prompt sometimes differently. So you need to figure out by playing with them what's the best prompt that triggers the type of answer or the questions you are looking for. You can ask for physics. You can say create 10 physics questions suitable for a 6th grader, and then it will create 10 questions, and then you can go back to ChatGPT and ask the same question, and then it will create it in ChatGPT. So I think my ChatGPT got a little bit tired, I guess. Something happened there. Okay, it's not working. So sometimes it gets slow. This is like late night here in Dallas, 12 o'clock. So I guess it's a little busy right now. So it's a little slow right now to generate. But usually it's much faster. But, it just generated my 10 questions. And it's again going back to do the algebra problem. So it seems like it mixed up a little bit. But I think you got the main idea that you can make these tools do work for you, like in here. Now I'm liking the Google's format here. Create 10 physics questions suitable for a 6th grader. Now it created nice little 10 questions, and now you can say, now show me the answers. And, you will get the answers. You can even ask, now explain the answers. It will give you paragraphs explaining what is the answer. So it seems like both the service seems a bit slow right now, but here's the answer. These are the questions. If you ask for something more substantive, the answers may be a little bit more voluminous. But you got the point. This is all I wanted to show everyone, that now you have this wonderful tool. Googlebard is free, so you can create as many study materials, questions and answers and solutions as you want, and just print them out. You don't have to go to an expensive tutor service. They charge like $50, $70, $80 per half an hour, some of them, and they basically do this. All the tutoring services, all they do is they have a curriculum that they developed, which is basically a bunch of lecture notes and questions and answers, and you spend money to send your kid to go there, just sit with these problem and solution sets, and they do not allow you to bring those sets home. Many of them don't. They want the kid to do those in their building and then leave empty-handed. So now there is a disruptive technology here, and the best part is that it is mostly free. bard.google.com is absolutely free. ChatGPT can be free or it can be paid depending on which subscription you're using. You can also do chat.bing.com. They use ChatGPT behind the scene, which I haven't shown you here. But there's this another platform that you can use for generating these type of solutions and problem sets and bypass all these expensive tutoring services. Hope this small little lecture helps you save some money and raise some smart kids. Thank you.